What's up, YouTube? Welcome to more trades. Okay, so Bitcoin has been pumping, and if you were in the Discord, then you would know that I said on the 21st of June, if we are able to claim 30,656, then it's very possible to go up to 31.8. However, we haven't reached 31.8. 31.8 can be reached, and if we go up there, we will have opportunities to even go higher. 32.3 is a possibility. Hit this trend line from these days that we got support from, as you can see, or we could even go to the next fib channel on my Fibonacci chart, but I'm not sure how high is it. Let it load and I'll check it out. The next fib channel zone on this large time frame could take Bitcoin all the way to 30. Yeah, I would say about the 34,200 range. That could be seen as far away. We could go there, but I'm not gonna get bullish while we have big green candles. I'm not that kind of person. Whenever I see big green candles, that's when I'm looking for a short, because eventually there's gonna be either a retrace or a dump. We've been at these levels and it was so bullish for everyone. We were here 14th of April and look what happened after that. Could it repeat? Maybe it could, maybe not, but trading is a game of possibilities, and possibilities at the moment tell me that there's a good chance Bitcoin could pull back or dump. If Bitcoin pulls back, I can make profits in a short with a trailing stop, or if there's a dump, same thing. DXY is holding green, is keeping up today. The traditional markets, that being Nasdaq and S&P, haven't been acting like Bitcoin. They have been red for the day. But yeah, next target for Bitcoin, I'm looking at possibly 31.8. If you look left, you could see that previously when we were at this zone, that would be at May 2020. I believe this was May 2020 range. 2021, sorry, 2022. We came all the way as high as 32,427. 32,427. And let me go to the other chart. I believe I gave a target around there. Let me just confirm that. That would be our previous, that would be the May 2022 high. And I said 34,227. However, if we pump here, it won't be 34,227. I said 34. Yeah, so my targets at the moment is a 31.8 possibly. I'm not saying we're going to get there, but whoever is not in a trade, then you must be sitting nicely on the sidelines and waiting for a sign of weakness to enter a short, in my opinion. Possibly a scalp, or it could turn to a big swing trade. You never know. Okay, that's my update for Bitcoin. But yeah, I needed to give you one more tip, that we do have support. So when we get a dump, we shouldn't freak out and think we're going to zero, because we do have strong support levels underneath. 29.5 is one level, and then we also have 27.5. But just looking at my chart, I can see that the POC of May 2022 was 29.788. So that's a zone to consider. You can see how the daily candle respected that. If we lose that, then you'll be looking at 29.219 and so on. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you would have these levels. Over here, this candle looked like an indecision candle. And yeah, I said I'm going to cut this video short and I'm going to go. But I just remembered something I needed to share with you guys. Bollinger Bands on the daily. I'm going to delete all these drawings. Yeah. The Bollinger Bands on the daily. If you look at the Bollinger Bands, we are overextended. We've opened and closed. Outside of the Bollinger Band over here, we pierced it and then bump. And yesterday we opened and closed outside the Bollinger Band. And essentially, when you see that, you would expect maybe the next day we could have. I mean, we didn't even come in, so it's telling you it's so strong. And the next day, this is the follow through. And usually when we are overextended to the upside or to the downside, We get a day or two, then we go the other way around. So if you look at the past, over here we had 1 day, we broke the Bollinger Band. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days before we even came down. It's hard to tell, but yeah, I would expect a retrace coming soon because this move is way overextended. Just looking at Fibonacci's, if I want to go with Fibonacci's, I like using Fibonacci retracement levels and saying that this strong move up could have been the third wave. Is big and powerful. I would like to see the 0.5 fib, but it looks like Bitcoin nowadays, when we start moving fast, we give shallow retracements just to the 0.236, barely the 0.382, as you can see. Yeah. Now this move up, if it's a beginning of something, you would expect this would be a big wave one up from down here, the 25k zone. Say if it peaked over here, you would expect Bitcoin to retrace. It could retrace all the way to 26,188, but you have the golden pocket at 27,320, 0.618, 27,320. Keep that in mind. It will be essential. Yeah, 27,320. Okay, that will be a biggest support. That's my update for Bitcoin. I'll see you in the next one. Hit the likes. Don't forget that.